Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everybody, let me introduce myself to you. My name is Aurelia Hanandra. I am from class 11 Social Science 3. On this occasion, I want to practice procedure text with the title How to use a printer to print documents. Then, let's get started. There are tools needed such as prepare a file you want to print, laptop, HVS, and also the printer. Turn on your laptop in accordance with the applicable operating system. Open the file that you want to print. Turn on your printer. Make sure it is connected with electricity. Put HVS that you have prepared in the appointed place. Connect the USB cable from the printer to your laptop. Next, click Tab File located at the top corner of the laptop. Click Print, then click the icon with a picture printer. Then, a short delay due to the ongoing process of printing.
Okay, the printing process has been complete.
Then, that's my practical video on how to use a printer to print document. How very easy is not it? We only need to prepare the file to be printed, HVS, laptop, and printer, so that we can document easily. So much from me. Thank you for watching my video and see you in the next video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.